This video is going to cover how to add new pages to your website and making sure that they're in the navigation. So for your first request, it was adding a new page called Summer 2018. What you're going to want to do is on the upper left hand side, you're going to see an area with an arrow that has all of your pages. To create a page, you can go ahead and hit Manage Pages, and you'll see them once again here. And then any one of the pages at any time that you want them to be sistered, which means they fall underneath one particular area, you just take it and tuck it under, and you can see how you can move those. But for this one, we're going to be adding Summer 2018. So we're going to hit here, Add Page. The new page is now blank. It gives you the opportunity here to add the title. So we're going to go with Summer 2018. We're going to hit Done, and at this point you can change where it falls on the menu bar, and then, or once again, if you wanted to, what they call sister appear underneath one of a tab that's already pre-existent. In this case, I think that you actually want it to populate. Keep in mind that the nav bar has gotten pretty big, so you'll notice that there's already a More button. If you want to change that, you can just keep this under one of the already pre-existent ones, instead of having its own. So for instance, like our classes, and maybe putting this under a sister. It's up to you though, but we'll keep it on its own. So once it's there, you'll see it's automatically added. You can hit publish or save or preview at any point. You'll see what it looks like, and there it is. You can go ahead and get back to the editor. Now that it's here, you'll notice that you're actually editing this page, and that's the way you get to any page that you want to edit. You just click on this area. You'll notice there's home page, going here to back to Summer 2018. Whatever you want to add on the page, there's a bunch of bells and whistles here. Most importantly, you'll probably go here, hit Add, and these are all your options: text, images, galleries, vector art, etc. All of this here. You can have fun, get to know these more and more. In this case, you're probably going to be using text and images for the most part. Once you click on them, they'll automatically add it to the actual page itself. So you double click on that or hit enter. And let's see. And once you click on the text, these are the options within the text, depending on what you want to do. And most of the time, you could just go ahead and hit, like add paragraph. It'll add it here. It's drag and drop, or you can select inside of it, type what you want. Mess with the font, mess with the colors, the effects, all that. Once it's done, you once again can hit publish. It will automatically take effect right away. For today's training, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of it, but I will leave the page live. And then, just so you know, adding additional pages is the same principle. We're going to go ahead and go back to here, Manage Pages, Add Page, and you'll notice now it's a new page, and I'm just going to put Test. And once it's done, you can now hit these under each one of these. 1, 2, 3. You can add 3 separate pages, and now when you go to preview, you'll see that Summer will have whatever it is that you calibrated them to be. For today, because the site is live, I'm going to go ahead, and now that I'm on the actual test page, you'll notice that at any point, if you want to delete that page on the left hand side, this once again is just another hot click to get to the pages. You can go ahead and hit here, hit delete. It's going to ask you sure, yes, and you'll notice it's going to be then deleted. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and publish the page. It is then going to say to you, oh, all right, congratulations, it's live. You could view site, or you can say, don't show me this again if you're going to be working on it a lot. I usually do that, then hit done, and then you'll notice your changes took effect right away. All right, hope this was helpful.